Are you a content creator that is tired of asking people for donations, just wanting to get some more money? Or are you an internet user purchasing online in different shops? Why not support your favorite streamers doing so? Let me show you how. If you guys don't know, my name is Agent. I'm a Twitch partner. I stream every single day except Sundays. Link down in the description below. I might have an answer for you. It's Genki. What is Genki, you might ask? Well, Genki is a browser extension that fans install and choose which creator they would like to support. No more asking for donations, no more begging for money. You can basically shop online and then support your favorite creator. Amazing. The website is linked down in the description below. By the way, this video is sponsored by Genki, and I'm gonna showcase you the website, tell you all about the service, and basically show you everything around it. Let's go. So we have Genki ME or Me, earn without asking your fans for money. So basically you can go around in different shops. They have 30,000 shops that they support. Go and purchase whatever. So you don't have to pay anything extra. You just purchase your regular stuff that you always purchase online through Amazon or other websites. And the content creators get 1 to 5% commission out of that price that you pay for it. You don't have to pay anything extra at all. So you can have your global creator code, which is a link down in the description. By the way, you can check out my code, use that to register and then purchase on the websites, and you will support me. I would really appreciate that. You can learn more about the Genki, but then again, I'm showing you everything as well. 100% commission goes to the creator themselves. So that's pretty amazing thing about Genki. There's a lot of Genki creators. As you can see right here, there's a lot of different content creators using this service. That's why it's really good. How does it actually work? So first things first, you create your account, you set up everything. It's pretty simple. Every single creator can make this. By the way, you just go to the website, create an account, you encourage your fans to install the extension, you get them to, just do a shout out, get them to download the extension. It's a simple install. It's really easy to set up. Then the fans register and install the extension using your code, obviously. And then they just do regular shopping and you get 1 to 5% of every single purchase. It's really that simple. Like it cannot be more simple than that. We're gonna go over how to actually set up the extension and how to do everything. As I said, over 30,000 shops worldwide support this extension. So you have Kinguin, you have Logitech, Nike, whatever you want. You can check all the list for every single possible website that supports this. There's so many of them that there's 31,000 plus that I'm not gonna go over them, but some cool ones are TripAdvisor, you have Nike, Microsoft, you have Amazon over here, you have a lot of different stuff as well. So how to actually set up this thing? Well, you're gonna go click down in the description below, click on that link, referral link is gonna open up. I'm gonna show you how to register and then set everything up after that. So once you go to the link, you'll see this website right here, register as a fan and boost your favorite creator. Pretty simple. You put your username, your email, your password, confirm your password, you put your creator code. If you don't have one already, you can use whatever. If you click on my link, it will automatically put my creator code and then just register as a fan. It's that simple. Once you do that, you can download the plugin and you should be good to go. Genki is currently only supported on Chrome, so that's the only browser you can use, but they will add more browsers as they said in the FAQ. So what you have to do is, once you register, this website is going to open up. You go add to Chrome and then you just click add extension and the extension will be added to your Chrome. No worries after that at all. The main question about these websites and about these services are usually, how does the website make money? If I don't pay anything extra, how do they make money? Well, the answer is pretty simple. They make money from the store commission programs. The store basically spends part of their commission links and commission programs that Genki uses. Then Genki basically thanks you and the store thanks you for using their store instead of someone else's store. And that's how you get the percentage. The creator gets paid, everyone's happy, and everyone wins. The website is completely safe. You don't have to worry about them stealing your data. They're only collecting the cookies from the Google Analytics and the Hotjar, so nothing else. They're not stealing any of your data. They're not selling your data. They're not doing anything illegal or weird, so you don't have to worry about any of that stuff as well. Check out the website, check out the service. If you're a content creator and you're tired of asking your viewers for money. You don't want to be that streamer that's like, hey guys, you know, subscribe or donate because this month we're not gonna be able to make that much money. All you do is set up Genki. People purchase their usual stuff like they always do. You receive the commission, then you cash that commission out. And after that, you don't have to worry about a single thing. You have your commission, passive income basically for doing absolutely nothing. It's easy peasy. If you guys did like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't already know, I do stream on Twitch every single day except Sundays. I'll be live on Twitch by the time the video goes live. So if you want to stop in, it would mean the world. Anyway, if you have any comments or just any questions, make sure to post them down in the comments below. I would be happy to answer them. And anyway, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out and have a good one. Bye-bye.